All right, good morning. Again, my name is Ishwar Iyer. I'm one of the meteorologists at the National Weather Service in Wakefield, and we start the briefing today with the fact that our drought unfortunately continues to expand and worsen with severe to locally extreme drought conditions across a decent portion of the area, especially into central east and eastern Virginia and northeast interior portions of northeast North Carolina. And not expecting much in the way of rain today, with maybe a few showers and potentially a thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon and evening, although that is not expected to amount to much. Um, then rain chances do increase later Saturday into Saturday night as we get a cold front settling near the area with thunderstorms possible Saturday afternoon and evening, transitioning to more of a general rain Saturday night and potentially into Sunday near the coast. And again, also cooler weather will return Sunday and into early next week. And as I mentioned at the beginning, the drought unfortunately does continue to expand and worsen across the area. So we definitely need the rain. And unfortunately, even if we do get a quarter to a half of an inch of rain this weekend, that just won't be anywhere close enough to meaningfully alleviate the drought. And then marine wise, benign conditions expected for the next couple days with small craft advisories possible Sunday and Monday. Uh, yeah, so today and tomorrow, not much in the way of rain. And then uh, showers and a few thunderstorms moving in later Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening, with that continuing into Saturday night. And you could actually see some rain linger, especially near the coast through the first part of the day on Sunday. And Sunday will probably be cloudy and cool. And then Monday actually should be, yeah, dry and pleasant. Um, in terms of rain totals through Saturday night, this captures the vast majority of the event. Uh, really expecting around a quarter of an inch on average throughout the area, maybe some higher amounts as you head toward the coast. Uh, and again, unfortunately, there will be many areas that see less than a quarter of an inch of rain, as we're looking at, 40 to 60% probabilities for just a quarter of an inch, with lesser probabilities for a half of an inch, mainly confined to near the coast. Or, and of course, if you get under a thunderstorm Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening, you could locally see over a half of an inch of rain, although that obviously is going to be hard to pin down exactly where that occurs, just given the nature of thunderstorms. And of course, while any rain we receive will be beneficial, even a half of an inch, three quarters of an inch is not going to alleviate the ongoing drought in any sort of meaningful way. Uh, so, looking at a broader overview of the forecast, uh, the warm weather continues, with the exception of areas near the coast and on the Maryland eastern shore for the next few days, with much cooler weather expected late this weekend into early next week, although nowhere near frost or freeze thresholds. Even though it'll be chilly, Monday morning, Sunday morning, Monday morning, and then we are looking at another chance of rain later Tuesday into Tuesday night, which could bring another half inch or so to the area, although things are much more uncertain with that. So while we're pretty confident it's going to rain later Saturday into Saturday night, and also Tuesday into Tuesday night, both of these events do not look like major soaking rains of like widespread 1-2 inches, more like a quarter to a half of an inch each on average here. So we're still, not really catching up on rain. It's certainly better than not receiving any rain at all, though. And again, the drought has worsened with severe drought conditions in most places west of the Chesapeake Bay, with localized extreme drought conditions across far south central Virginia and into Northampton County in northeast North Carolina, with moderate drought conditions near the coast where they did receive more rain with that event about 10 days ago or so. Again, most areas have only received 20 to 40% of average rainfall during the past month, and thus that is why we are seeing those drought conditions continuing to worsen across the area. So switching gears into the marine side of things, we are expecting benign conditions through Saturday with small craft advisories possible behind that cold front, with north to northeast winds Sunday into Sunday night, early Monday morning. And you can see as those winds become northeast behind that cold front, seas do build to 5 to 6 feet, with occasional seas probably on the order of 8 to 9 feet at times. So with that, we do want to say we are going to make a change to our briefing link starting Monday, April 27th. So that, yes, that is in 4 days here. We will break out the main weather briefing and the marine weather briefing into separate links just due to the briefing size. So these are the new links to the briefing, and those are also, this is also a slide in the PDF briefing that was emailed and posted on Slack as well. And again, this change will go into effect starting Monday, April 27th, and nothing else will change. We will still have live briefings twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays, and also both of the briefings will be updated daily by 9:30 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. just like they have been here. These what we've been doing for the past several months to years. So nothing has changed on that front. The only change is that the briefing will be broken out into two briefings: the main weather briefing and the marine weather briefing. And with that, I will stop the